Well, here's a stunning number. According to some forecasts, the global market for cosmetic surgery services will reach the $40 billion mark by the year 2013, up $10 billion from 2008. One of the latest procedures, the so-called vampire facelift, which involves injecting a patient's own blood into his or her wrinkles and cheeks to smooth the effects of aging. For Jeremy Hubbard, that's a sign of the times.
For plastic surgery fanatics who've been nipped, tucked, sucked, plucked, injected, lasered, contoured, and contorted, here's a new one. The vampire facelift.
You're everything to me. You're everything.
Don't get too excited. This one won't leave you looking like Bella from the Twilight movies. But if your smooth face has reached its twilight, some marketing-savvy doctors have come up with a bloody brilliant idea.
I'm curious, has this procedure eclipsed all your other ones yet?
It hasn't eclipsed the others, but it's becoming very popular. Now we're seeing patients every week who are asking for this.
Plastic surgeon Andre Berger of Beverly Hills is going to suck your blood with a needle, and then he'll stick that blood in a centrifuge.
We take the part that's separated, the plasma, and we put it into another test tube that has some special processing ingredient in it, and that helps us to concentrate the plasma-rich proteins with the growth factors.
And once injected, he says, it'll stimulate natural collagen growth in your face. The newest wrinkle plumper, your own blood. We followed two patients who were sucked in by the idea. First, Lynn Piper.
I'm trying to see if there's any need for any improvement there, and I don't see a lot, but this is something that you feel like will make your face look better.
Well, I think the trick is if you stay on top of it and tune it up a little at a time, then you have to go in for an overhaul.
So that's what this is for you, a tune-up.
Hopefully. Yeah, that's what I look at it as.
We'll turn over this way.
Something that comes out of my body goes back into my body.
And also Shelley McCarthy.
The thing that I'm most concerned about, I think, are just the droopiness and the lines from my... I think that makes me look old.
Both ladies like the idea of a cosmetic procedure gone organic, one that uses their own, well, true blood.
Oh my God, I think Lillette's just got his first vampire.
And if their face injections are recycled material, so too is this whole vampire analogy. Lately, bloodsuckers are everywhere, cashing in on the vampire craze. How about this energy drink that comes in a blood bag? Or maybe some vampire perfume? Who wouldn't want to smell like Dracula? Guess a vampire facelift was only a matter of time. So how long does a vampire facelift last? Up to 18 months, they say, and it costs $800 to $1,200 per treatment, twice as long and half the price as some other popular fillers.
This is very safe because it's your own material. You've really got to sigh a bit in terms of relief and not worrying about some reaction to foreign material.
And how does it work? Let's check back in with our patients.
You look great.
First, Lynn, the before and the after. Now, Shelley, pre-blood injection and afterward. Subtle differences, but the ladies are pleased. Blood, it seems, really does keep you youthful. After all, Edward from Twilight, according to the books, he's about 110 years old, yet not a wrinkle in sight. Now, if they could just do something about that pasty white skin, he really should get some sun. I'm Jeremy Hubbard for Nightline in Beverly Hills.